by successive government till 1965. It is denied now. It is one of an environment factor which forced the Rohingya to displace and finally driven out from the Myanmar. In 1990, all ethnic, including Rohingya, applied for citizenship identity cards to change NRC. According to the Article 6, 1982 Citizenship Law, Chapter 4, page number 127, all ethnic got citizenship identity card. But we Rohingya did not due to the discrimination. In 1995, the military ordered us to take our NRC by saying that it was to change the red identity card according to the 1982 law. But instead of identity red card, the government provide us white card. It is also according to the 1951 registration law, Article 13, Act number 8. White cards are as a temporary measure to people who were already registered by the government, but whose are as a temporary measure to the people who were already registered by the government, whose NRC process need more time conditionally. Temporary identity cards meant Form 3. So, white cards become from indigenous ethnic categories. But in NRC had no ethnic identity and religious identity. In the white card, the race and religions were marked, even if this was not part of NRC. As race, the government official marks sometimes Muslim and sometimes Bengali. So we were fought for that for a long time. In 2014, Prime Minister U Thein Sein told white card is expired according to the 1851 law, Article 12. Resident of Myanmar registration rule. According to that law, the government is obligated to issue ID cards. When the white cards expired, but the government gave us vouchers. No, it is not according to the law. Today, the government have been trying for NVC, National Verification Card. In 1951 Citizenship Law, Article 7, people who were unregistered before, any person not registered any time in Myanmar according to 1951 law and wanted to stay for temporary, for limit time, means foreigner, must register with the government by filling 3 photocopy Form 1.